Today we're talking about HEX because HEX is going to the new all-time high. How you guys doing? How's wife and kids, husband and kids, parents, grandparents? Doing good? Yeah. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the new video. Today we're doing HEX, of course. Why? Because it's going up like crazy and it's gonna hit all-time high. I'm not considering this over here, the all-time high. I don't know what this was. I think this was just exchange and then sell-off or something like that. This was all-time high at 0.014 and we are gonna go past that right now. Right now sitting at 0.0088 over here, and this is some kind of resistance that we are trying to break, but once that's broken it's going to go all the way up here to the 0.014. so let's check this a little bit closer right now. We can start on this. Before we start that, let's get into the charts, and now we get into charts. We can see more of the chart at least. So basically the resistance we're trying to break right now, it's the one over here. That's at 0.86 actually, 0.86. But once this is broken, we're gonna go all the way up here. Last time I did the HEX video was down here, and we were we were breaking this resistance here, 46. We did actually a video down here, and I was telling that I'm very bullish on HEX because HEX did some managed to make bottoming pattern, the double bottom, and it was going up and it was crossing some kind of moving averages. So once it crossed this 0.046 and closed above 0.046, that's a weekly close. A weekly close above this high over here on the close. HEX became very bullish, and you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks it was going straight up almost all the way. Here it stopped a bit and then it continued all the way up to the 0.086, where it's now fighting and trying to stay above it. But if this week close above 86, we are going to be really bullish, and it's going to go all the way up to the top 0.014. So let's go even more into the charts and see on the daily how this looks like. And you can already see that that this green candle over here did make a higher high than 86 close, of course, and that corresponds to these bottoms over here as a support and these tops over here as a resistance. Now if we remove the wicks, you're gonna see that even better. You can see here when the chart was going up, it got resistance here, then it broke it, went up, and when it went down it just straight through it again. But here it managed some kind of support down here before it broke it, and it went straight down again. So I'm not saying that this support is or resistance is stronger to break than the weekly, but I'm just saying that that we are the first step to managing to hold the to manage to close on the weekly. We have the close on the daily, and we did close on the daily above this line, and now what we are waiting for is close on the weekly. So that's gonna come in how many days? 1, 2, 3, like 4 days. So anything can happen still, but it's looking really bullish, and I'm gonna show you further why I think it's really bullish. So let's get back to wicks and go into the 4-hourly chart. Just you can see here how it's actually playing out right now. This is some kind of a channel or pattern that's forming right here. Let me remove the magnet. Channel or pattern that's forming right here right now, and once we're out of this pattern, the channel, I think big chances we are gonna go all the way up. So let's see how the moving averages are looking, because moving averages on HEX is better than any other coin right now, or token. I mean, there are some like that are doing really well, like Celsius, but HEX is doing pretty good. So let's pull up the moving averages, and this is on the 4-hourly chart, and you can see the 20, the 50, the 100 and 200 moving averages are exactly as they should be, one after another, and this is really characteristic for any kind of uptrend, strong uptrend. This on the 4-hourly chart. So we're gonna go and look at it on the daily, and you can see on the daily the 20 moving average, the red line, after bottoming. This is double bottom that I was just talking about. The price went down, it made the double bottom All right, and after that, after breakout of the 20 moving average over here, it became really bullish and started going up. So basically the 20 moving average, the red line, is pushing the price higher up. Now the 20 is crossing the 100, it crossed the 50. Down over here is the 200 moving average on the daily. So everything is looking good just based on the moving averages and how they are moving. On the weekly as well, we are above the 20 moving average, and the monthly there are no moving averages because of the lack of data. So basically HEX right now is looking really bullish, and we're gonna see what's happening. Let me just do this quick like this. So how is this gonna play out? Are there gonna be any more stops all the way up to the 0.014? And we can see here this is on 4-layer chart, so there are a lot of wicks and stuff. Let's look at the daily. On the daily, what we can see, let's remove the wicks just to see how daily is going to play out. So basically this up here is going to be a really strong resistance as well, because this is daily resistance. That's a 0.095. so if daily can close also above 95, that means they are one step further to getting to 0.014 all the way up here. After this, there's this resistance over here, or this top over here. Basically the entire area is going to be a resistance, not just one point. This area over here is going to be a resistance, and after that we are getting the top itself, and that's between these 2 points over here, and we can also make an area there, and there you go. That's these are the resistances we have to break. So basically what's happening right now, if I can just explain to you, we broken the 80.6. We are trying to test this one over here. That's at 0.95. Once this is broken, it's gonna go all the way up to 0.11, and then you have to break this one and this one. So there are a few resistances on the way to the all-time high, but it's really doable. It's really doable. And also the thing about HEX, it's not correlated with Bitcoin or anything else. If you look at the chart of HEX and look at the chart of Bitcoin or other coins, it's not correlated. So if Bitcoin starts dumping, there's a big chance the HEX won't be dumping. When also dumping, there's a big chance that HEX won't be dumping. So HEX is not correlated with anything right now, and that's a very good thing for people that just want to trade something during the bear market. There's no bear market, but downtrend. During the downtrend on Bitcoin and altcoins and crypto, this is a very good thing to trade right now, because it is in a strong uptrend. The correction is not, maybe there can become some kind of correction over here. I was actually expecting the correction to come at 0.86, or before that. It didn't, it went above it, so I'm expecting it to hold 0.086 and then try to make further highs before it actually gets some kind of correction. But all in all, it looks like it's gonna reach the all-time high sooner rather than later. And after that, the price target for after the all-time high, I'm gonna show you right now. But before I do that, like the video if you like the video so far, and also subscribe to the channel if you're gonna like my price prediction. We also got a Patreon, to check that out. Exclusive content, $1 a month. Now check this out. Let's use this one, and we're gonna do it like this. And the price target is anywhere on this line over here. For the next, after the all-time high, it's gonna go all the way up to this line. So it depends when it breaks the line. If it breaks it today, it's around 0.024, and if it breaks in a week's time or something like that, depends on how it goes, like somewhere around here. Let's say end of January. I don't think it's gonna take that long. Maybe it does take that long. I don't know. Let's say just over here. The price target is gonna be between let's see, between 0.02 and 0.023 and 0.028. So the upside, it's pretty big. From over here right now to all the way to the all-time high, that's like 3 times the money, and I think this is gonna happen sooner rather than later. Thank you for watching the video. Like the channel again if you like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more of these videos. Have fun, don't lose your money, and all that shebang. See you tomorrow. New video.